Khethile on the level.
All right, remembering Wuti, this is a no judgment zone when you do come through with your advice or umbono wako for Anonymous on 0861596596 or on WhatsApp 0638399959. Asingene kuyo email ka Anonymous. Uti, warm greetings to you Mazwane. I kind of have a situation that has complicated impilo yami so much, and I hope you and the Liftoff fam can help me with the way forward. Nginemnyaka u28 ngowesifazane, and I've been a widow for 2 years now. Losing my husband has been the most painful thing that I've ever went through, but umndeni wakhe awukaze ungilahle. Instead, they continue to love me and support me. Namanje, I am still one of them. It so happened one day this year ukuthi ubrother-in-law wami azongivakashela. Sahlala saxoxa, and the next thing sesimbethe ndawonye. I swear it was a mistake back then, and we promised each other that it won't happen again, but it has happened again and again until we have started a real relationship. We started spending time with each other, sihambe, sivakashe, to places near and far. All of this has been done in secret. It was really nice loving and being loved again. And for a while, it felt like having my husband back with me, until I found out that I am pregnant. This is where it felt like umqondo wami started to work once again. I judged myself so much, but brother-in-law is not shaken at all by this thing. He told me ukuthi we should tell the family iqiniso, and he will then ask them if he could have my hand and marry me officially, since it is allowed in our Zulu culture. Ngiyamuzwa mina, but I suffer from a lot of abantu bazothini syndrome. And lapho ubuti is a married man, and I get along very well with his wife. I can't stop thinking ukuthi uzothini yena usisi when she finds out about this. The other sister wives ekhaya bona bazothini ke? Will they ever trust me around their husbands? Maybe the entire family will judge me, but I moved on too soon, especially with my husband's brother. I'm really afraid to take this step. I feel like I will lose many relationships with abantu basemzini ngalento, and I'm not sure if it's even worth it because I don't have a family of my own. Should they not accept the new me in the family, what am I going to do? I desperately need advice if I should take the risk and embrace the new journey that has come before me, or maybe it's okay if I just pack my bags and disappear ngiqale phansi with my life somewhere very far. Please help. This is Anonymous's cry. Yo! I definitely have heard of indaba yokungenwa, where if you are a widow, a young widow at that, and you have a brother-in-law, which is your husband's brother, if he's willing to take you as his wife, that way you get to stay in the family and you get taken care of. So Leo process. Yes, it's not unfamiliar to me. My only thing that I'm not sure of is, it seems in this situation, Anonymous, the cart has gone before the horse. So if sekphambane ngokwe order of how things are supposed to happen, will it be considered uqhutshwa kwesiko still? Kusangenzeka yini ukuthi ukungenwa kuhambe kahle uma sekwenzeke ngalendlela? I'm not sure. If you're somebody who's better versed around this and mhlambe ungasikhanyisela where this is concerned, please do give me a shout on 0615966596. Again, I'm also available on WhatsApp 0638399959. And whether you are well versed in indaba yokungenwa or you just have some advice for Anonymous, what to do with the baby, should she carry the baby? She's not seeming to have any qualms where that's concerned, but perhaps you have izinto that you would like to highlight as potential issues moving forward. You can use the same number, come through and give Anonymous some light in this dark tunnel that she finds herself in. Sawubona weXolani.
Nje.
Unjani?
Siyaphila sister kamba njani?
Good. What advice do you have for Anonza?
I'm so anonza ka relax. Indawo ukuthi abantu bazothina, abantu bazokhuluma. Sonke bemkhuluma kwamanje ukuthi akana. Yabo? Anonza fetha relax as long nje ngoba uyalenza iqiniso ukuthi abasho usebenze nje. Then ngoba vele ukungenwa lento yokungena into ekhona. Okusho ukuthi aphumanga ngaphandle. Ubambe khona lemndenini yabo.
But why uthi okuhle? Because omunye umuntu bengathi ngcono ukube uphumele ngaphandle, because now usuzodala inxushunxushu ke manje kuwo lo muzi lo obu right before you slept with your brother-in-law.
Ngicabanga ukuthi njengomuntu omZulu ikhona lonto emndenini nemndeni bathola ukuthi bese beyikhulumile ezumndeni but bengakamtsheli uAnonsi yabo ukuthi lo akamngene yabo lonto. So mhlambe futhi nokuthi unkosikazi unkosikazi ka brothers akahambisani nakho mase eqhamuthi sekuze kwaba nengane sekufanele nave lehlisa umoya yabo.
Yo kwaze kwanzima bo just because sengishade fanele ngehlisa umoya.
Hey ayithi kuthiwa la ushadela khona mekunemfene nawe iphele ezumakoti angithi kusho njani.
Hey bafethu hey.
So ezinye zeimfene zakhona athethe igazi nje mfethu.
Athethe blood. All right, Xolani ngiyabonga kakhulu for your call. Ngidlulele kuwe Musa, uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila sisi wami njani?
Nice one, ngisakwazi.
Hayi ngikhona ngiyakulalela nje. Ngilalele mangithola ithuba mangisemsebenzini.
Okay, no problem Musa. I'm glad you're coming through ngoba uzosiza uAnonymous la inzima lento abhekene nayo.
Ngibingelele balandeli beGagasi nakuye eqoko lakho Anonymous. Asomjaja ke kwenzekile iphutha. Kwavela iphutha liyenzeka ingane ungiroshe ekhaya. So ingane angayikhiphi sibuyele la echechi ubhuti uzokhuluma nomndeni wakhe. Akakhulumeke ubhuti nomndeni wakhe bese kuukuthi umndeni uzothini uzomamukela kanjani ukuthi sekwenzisebenza iphutha ngoba phela abayiqalanga ngokwesiko lento bayiqale ngomtshontshana. Ngokwesiko beyizokhulunywa.
Bekufanele imake Musa, because you sound like somebody who knows ukuthi indaba yokungena ihamba kanjani. Fanele kwenzekeni in a proper process of ukungena.
Ukuthi khona abantu abadala bekufanele bayikhuluma ukuthi umakoti nje besemncane eshiwe umkhwenyana wakhe bese kuyakhethwa kubafaka kwamkhwenyana owuyena ozomngena.
Okay.
Yes.
Kune process yini yokuthi kukhethwa lo and not omunye mhlambe. Yini eyenza ukuthi kukhethwa omunye kushiwo omunye?
Ake ngithi nje mhlambe ake ngithi menu 3 kini. Phela nisomngena sobathi akukhethwa yedwa owuyena osuke ezobamba.
Sengisho ukuthi what determines ukuthi ulo okhethwayo, is it mhlambe ukuthi uba nomdala, uba nonamandla financially, khethwa kanjani?
Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi ngokwazi kwami kubhekwa financial ukuthi angakwazi ukondla amakhosikazi amabili.
Okay.
Ngeke kuthathe umuntu odonsa kanzima emalini azothwesa omunye umthwalo ebevele senowakhe.
Okay.
Kodwa ke for repose unami ngiyakulona ukuthi uzoyibika ubafindaba uma ingamukeleke ekhaya ngoba phela bayenze bona ngomtshontshana kwabo. Kuzomela usisa kwamukela ukuthi bebentshontsana kwanengane akhulisa ingane umfowethu ushilo uXolani ngoba ingane vele yale ekhaya iright kakhulu okwamanje bazodinwa kodwa kusala kuzobuye kwehle ukudinwa bamthanda umakoti nengane yakhe. Bathi nje balenzile iphutha akakhulumeke umfowethu umakoti uAnonsi akamtshela umfowethu ayikhulume emndenini bangayifihli kuze kuvele ingane abayikhulume manje ingane ingakaveli esakhulelwe nje khona kuzobonakala ukuthi yesha kanjani bese usisi lo ozoza ubusenomnako kwabo kuzoba kuhlungu kuyena akekho umuntu osifazana othanda ukuzwa into enjenganaleyo. Siyazwelana naye lo sisi kodwa ke sekwenzekile bakwethu.
I've got two ladies on the line, which excites me cool because the last calls I took were from the perspective of abantu besilisa. Sawubona Wesinde showe.
Sawubona mazana omuhle unjani?
How goes it? Hayibo ngicompliment kusenkanjena on Monday. Ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ubonani Sindi?
Ayisikaze
ngiyaphila sithando sami unjani wena?
Ngiyaphila nami manje ngiyababaza igadi while ngilalele la ukuthi yazi ukuthi escape entweni cishe ifana insene kaAnonymous.
Oh, tell me more.
2016 usisami washada kodwa dashada selamana nje kanje yabo makuthanda lamana kanje ngiyazi ukuthi understand wasemnambithi selamana ushadile.
Okay.
So usibaro wami bengakashada loboleni ubona ukuthi uyangithengela hlaba ama coats ama lipsticks angithengele izinto makuthiwa uthengele umuntu wakhe athengele nami ekhaba phela ukuthi hayibo uyakuthanda usibaro nami ngithi cha uyangithanda kodwa manje kubuye kube nento esolisayo and ngisemncane by then because siswami ushade na 21 so imagine ukuthi nabe ngimncane kangakanani. Uyathenga lezo zinto lezo sometimes he will call yena not usisi wami unkosikazi wakhe acela ukuthi ngizogada ingane ngoba bona baya usisi wami uyasamuwe yena uzobe khona then mama would say how ungasala nengane athi hayi ngcono kufike yena uSindi hayi mangifika uma ngabe sihleli wo text athi ngisayogeza please follow me hayibo ngithi lapho sihleli sonke ngithi hayibo follow you kanjani uyapi ngithule nginganaki uqhubeke but to cut the story short mazwane kwazi ukafika la khona mangivakashile uzofika eroomini lami ngiqale ngimuze ehamba ngaphandle ngasefastereni ukuthi ngathi kunomuntu kunama
footsteps
mangibheka akunamuntu shuthi besuyaqasha yeke ngagcina ngalo ukuya khona 2021 wabe usuyangena ekamereni mangithi ngiyaphaphama vele ngise upstairs uyamazikosa lakho ukuthi ulele kude indlu enkulu mangithi ngaphaphama nangu mangithi ngiyalight umuntu unqono vele uyangena ukuthi yena hayi ukuthi ufuna ukunyuza singashada ngisho ukushaka imangamvumela I was like hayibo hayibo ngingazi ke manje mazwana indaba ngizoyitshela bani ngiyacabanga nami ukuthi mangatshela usisi wami mhlawumbe ngikaza ngikholwe uzobona ngathi angazi
but ngiyangikholwa him or something
nabala ekhaya nabo bazothi usisi wami ukuthi womsapho usisi wakho because I was not working by then kangangokuthi umyeni wakhe after lokho sengimtshela ukuthi ngamane ngingaphinde ngivakashe lapho kunosisi wami nengane zakhe but ngamane ngingezi uma uzongenza kanje he would continue athi ngoba ungasebenzi mina ngakunika imali if singayenza lento
so how did that particular story end because ngifuna ukuthi siyibuyiseke to inkinga kaAnonymous.
Okay yaphela kanje nje ngagcina ngingasayikhona mina I texted him mangisekhaya ngamtshela ukuthi angikhephi into ayenzayo mawukuthi uthi yena ufuna ukuthi kwenziwe ngosiko ufuna ukuqala kanje ngokulana ngamtshela ngathi nami nginomuntu wami so I cannot drop everything ngize kuwena and nakhona ufuna ukuqala uyenze ngobukhoshosho ngalendlela owenza ngayo then I stopped ukuya usisi wami namanje nonjabula kazi ukuthi kwenzakalani like she doesn't know but angikhona ngabe lengayithi ngayivalela esifubeni ngaya ngokuthi ngiyime ngiyangizwela isikhathi esincane because it's not far from ekhaya ngibuye angeke ngilale to avoid everything so yaphela kanjalo nje
yo so uAnonymous ke manje has the opportunity yokuthi ange kwenziwe official as much as kuqale on a wrong note but do you think now trying to fix it ngokuthi ashade into this guy's personal family now will that fix issues ngokubona kwakho?
Yeah, okay, in my perspective njengo esho ukuthi usuku lamazulu lakuvuma lokho I think ingafixa sebengakhazi ukuthi baqala kanjani lento yabo I mean bazoxolelana umndeni uhamba uxolelane but for ukuthi kuze kube nama bad decisions mhlawumbe ukuthi sikhuluma indaba zokuthi ingane ngamane ngabe bikho I think kumele ukuthi uAnonymous vele bese asale vuma ukuthi kuthiwa uyangenwa beyenze kanjalo I think that would do.
Got you. Thank you so much for your call. Hello Amahle.
Nonjabulo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Oh, my apologies. I thought Amahle wentombazane.
No, akukho kanjalo.
All right.
No, ayishapona.
Great stuff.
No, I think as much as uAnonza esaba kodwa I think it's just a clear case ukuthi impilo yaqhubeka umuntu oseshonelwe and njengoba eshona kusiko lwethu lolo and so mina ngithi ayenzeke abantu khulume nje nomndeni lento ukuthi bafisa ukuthi bengenane beqhubeke nempilo mhlambe ke bengeke bekwenza ukusho ukuthi bese kukhona okukhona before uyabo.
But I think that's obvious because usisi is already pregnant so iyacaca lento ukuthi abayiceli ngoba sebethandana manje obebona ukuthi impilo ayiqhubeke ngalendlela manje it's because sekunomuntu ozayo.
Well mhlambe kungayibuka ngaleyo perspective kodwa nje uAnonza kangasabi kakhulu into ekhona le empilweni.
I'm manager kanjani umnakwabo because I don't think rather ukuthi usisi amficayo in this marriage will be very happy ukuthi she's going to be joined by somebody else whereas umuntu abezwana naye amazile egcekeni I miss kanjani le relationship ngokubona kwakho.
We can only hope ukuthi bomndeni understand izinto zesiZulu and mabe understand bayazi ukukhona isikele kanje and mabe practice ozoqhubeka nempilo.
What a difficult, what a tricky, what a wow. But thank you so much for your call. Amahle, have a fantastic day further. When I come back, I'm doing so with my voice notes arco as well as the advice that you have left on the Facebook page for uAnonza.
Yeah, nje njengoba bengishilo nje. Usisa relax. Uright ngoba uzuzela ingane yalapha yasemndenini. Na relax. Angabaleki. Baleka uzokona izinto eziningi. Relax, ayihlalele. Kobonakala ngendlela ukuthi kwenzakalani. kodwa awukho umuzi ongenantuthi yakhona uzodlula bekezela wesisi ngisho njalo ke mina ngusomancane kunamhlaba uvunje ngoba kade ngangibona.
So nje hayi mfethu ngiyayizwa anonymous mfethu vele sekwenzekile manje the best thing efuneka yenze ubrothers ukuthi aphutshe umndeni akhulume na abeke istori sakhe sikwenzakaleni then they can take it from there yabo ngisho if umndeni lokho ukwamukeli then ubrothers asupport phela ingane ngaphandle ke sifani ke but at least iqiniso basebelazi ngoba begcina usuku babethola bona iqiniso kuzoba buhlungu. Ngiyabonga nje, thanks.
Good morning mema uCustody uanonymous ake ukutatazela alikho icala la so ubhodi ngoba ucomfortable ngokuthi abaveze betshela umndeni akube njalo ngoba ekugcinene akukho okufihlwayo ngeke kuze kuvele so okuhle nje ukuthi comfortable ubhodi ukuthi hayi abayenzi beofficial lento so ngithi mina Jedele igazi anonymous ngitshela umndeni into eni besemthethweni. Ngiyabonga true love lo lesikhawini.
Thank you so much for your engagement. It seems the Liftoff fam is in agreement for the most part because noma ngibheka la ku Facebook page abantu abaningi are saying anonymous sekwenzekile Dedele Blood or Uzwelihle Msweli uthi yo kodwa ke if you do decide to approach this with the family kumele kube ubhuti oyitshelayo ifamily acela ukungena umfazi kaBhuti wakhe vele into eyayenziwa kudala le uma abanikazi bendaba bivumelana. Olile Ntuli uthi qhubekani nento yenu usiko lolu vele olwakithi asiliqabuki umamkhulu uthi hlonipha nje umamkhulu uma usungenile ngokusemthethweni nendoda naye futhi uyihloniphe. Remember sharing is caring kwezinye inkathi. Uthakasile mahlobo kwamngani uthi kwakungeyona mistake le kwakuyinhloso ngoba naphinda futhi kaningi naze nibize ngonhloso leyo wow okay. Usiya Mthalana uthi lena idinga ogogo namakhehla semzini ukuthi nixazilule because it is beyond us. Bongeka Renee Zulu, I feel sorry for Umnax at this point because sekuningi okuzomehlela. Umakagundi Majobe uthi yo sigaxa after sigaxa silibe sibabaze njalo nje. Angivale ngekamanzini intshangase icomment uthi azilime ziyetsheni anonymous amanzi asengenile vele endlini akulona ihlazo isiko lidala leli ukujajwa uzojajwa vele. It is part of life. Like I said anonymous, it seems like the Liftoff fam for the most part is in agreement ukuthi ithuba likhona lokuthi kulungiswe somewhat kwenziwe ngendlela mhlambe ebekufanele ngabe kwenziwe ngayo from eqaleni ukuthi isixovekile kancane ngokuthi you guys put the cart before the horse. Nevertheless, if the opportunity is still there by that is presented rather by brother-in-law wakho ukuthi akuthathe akufake officially back into umndeni, then so be it. Sometimes before izinto ziqonde zidinga ukuthi zithi ukuxoveka kancane so that now you can see ukuthi kwaxoveka for this particular reason. Wishing you all the very best as you navigate impilo yakho with this new development that's on the horizon. If you also would like to be anonymous and you would like to hear some advice for a particular love issue that is stressing you awusalali because awazi ukuthi uhlanganise inani kuzophuma ini, come through man, come through on the emails. It's the Liftoff at gagasi995.co.za. Next week Monday this time could be your issue that you are getting assistance with from the Liftoff fam.